One of the other good things with this system, which I'll just show you, is how to stream audio in this 2017 Citroen DS3. So if we now go to Tunes, here at the bottom you see this is iTunes. There's a red triangle with 3 red circles. If we click on that, you can see there's a tick next to it. So I'm going to turn this down, but whatever we play through this phone now with the tick next to DS will come through the speakers in the car if you're on the right setting. So I'll click play. It's playing. Now we have to go over to click menu, and you've got navigation, radio, media. We want radio media, and then we need source. Source is on the right hand side. Click source, and you've got FM radio, DAB radio, AM radio, and Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. That's showing the tune that's playing on my phone here. So because this isn't very quick acting, this that looks like it's going to be very loud. So I'm going to use the volume control from my phone to turn this up. So that's how you stream audio. And if for any reason you can't get full volume on your system, it's not loud enough, just make sure your phone's turned up. That's how you do that.